Mwonaniretwo mathithio ntuku ya narua ni Purity Richard na ningetwo Maureen Kinya na nteto cheto chirambiria thaiji. Gavana wa kaunti ya Kilifi AMASON Kingi ni atumiritie kuthama kiama kia AZIMIO la Umoja One Kenya na gutonya kiri Kenya Kwanza iria tongeretwe ni Dr. William Ruto. Akirita ntumiria wege karone kia munini wa Rais Karen Nairobi ni agwetete atiwe na kiama kiawe kia PAA batithiritwe bagikwa werone kiri ngwataniro eje ya AZIMIO. Nthama ya Kingi ezete ntuku mwake nyuma ya nthama ya gavana wa Machakos na mutongeria wa kiama kia maendeleo chap Dr. Mutua. Nyuma ya kwamukira Kingi, William Ruto ni akinyete ntere cha Machakos aria yekete muchemanio na Dr. Mutua amona kanjo yawe ya maminista mbere ya boko thithia muchemanio jwa siasa ntere cha Tala. Ruto akuthinga tene na Moses Wetangula na Ndindi Nyoro.
AZIMIO la Umoja One Kenya iko imara vile ambayo inaongozwa na baba Raila Amolo.
Ngwataniro ya AZIMIO la Umoja One Kenya Party ni nenetwe kadhaa nyuma ya gavana wa kaunti ya Kilifi AMASON Kingi na kiama kiawe kiapa kuthama na gutonya kiri ngwataniro ya munini wa mutongeria wa Ndegoro Dr. William Ruto ya Kenya Kwanza. Ntukwe mwake nyuma ya gavana Mutua na kiama kiawe kia maendeleo chap kuthama AZIMIO kuri muthenya jwa igoro na gutonya kiri Kenya Kwanza. Akiaria kagitaga agotomeria nthama eje munini wa Rais William Ruto kiri mambura jaria haja kuthithikite garone yawe Karen muchine munene jwa Nairobi augite ati ngwataniro yao na pa ni kiwerone na ngwataniro iria itariritwe ni Gavana Kingi.
The party leader of PAA has confirmed that we have made a commitment as Kenya Kwanza that the issues they have brought to the table on matters to do with the land, on matters to do with the economy of the coast region, on matters to do with public service inclusivity for the people from the coast region, are matters that we have not only agreed, but we have made as a commitment by Kenya Kwanza. And we have signed into that commitment.
Our reason to come to Kenya Kwanza is driven by the desire to finally find a solution to the problems facing our people. Securing positions, we could have secured individual positions in AZIMIO. But that is not our intention as PAA.
Kingi kagitenio kau na menerete rotere rwa AZIMIO akiregana na miario ya igoro ya thingati ngwataniro baria baraugaga ateneka wena Mutua barari nkutha kwere barikiri AZIMIO.
Ati ulipwe pesa fulani ndio uende usupport baba. Ati Ruto amekulipa pesa fulani unataka tumrudishie baba. Hana pesa kama hiyo. Hana pesa kama hiyo. Jambo la pili, kama unasema ya kwamba uko na files, cases huko kwa DCI ama kwa EACC na unataka baba aende afunga hizo mafile, baba hawezi kufunga hizo vitu kwa sababu baba hawezi kusaidia wafisadi.
We have been accused of all sorts after signing this agreement, that we've been playing both sides. We have been told that we were demanding to get a copy of the agreement because we wanted to use it to benchmark. To benchmark what? Kenya Kwanza and AZIMIO are two different legal entities. One is a political party, the other is a coalition. So how do you benchmark the two? If you want to fly a plane, you don't go to a car yard to benchmark.
Miario iji ya Kingi ni gwati mbaru ni William Ruto uria okuga ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza itena gento gia kuthoma kuma kiri AZIMIO. Akiuga ati AZIMIO na Kenya Kwanza ni ntobiere nkorani.
Kenya Kwanza is an alliance of democrats, of the willing. I am sure you know on the other side, people are forced, coerced blackmailed and threatened to belong to the other side. When I hear the people on the other side saying there was an attempt at benchmarking, how can there be benchmarking between darkness and the light? There is nothing that we have in common.
Not everybody who calls upon the Lord's name will go to heaven. Not everybody who calls himself the fifth becomes the fifth.
Nyumene achore baha babero ne bariongere obichine chia kaunti ya Machakos na reba gwati ugeni ne Governor Alfred Mutua mbere ya bogweta na mbere na kampeni interiu. Kiripotera Nteto Chia Weru TV diako adietoa ne mwirigi wacharite.